Today we're going to be showing you how to install the slide-away canvas safe. The first thing you will want to do is determine which wall you want to install your slide-away safe into and locate the studs. You will need about 14.5 inches between studs for the slide-away safe to fit properly. Mark the inner edge of each stud. We have a 28-inch slide-away safe and the mounting shelf is 3/4 inch thick. Take a note of this measurement. Determine where you would like the bottom edge of your slide-away safe to be in the wall. Remember that the mounting shelf will be installed below the slide-away safe. Use a level to draw a straight horizontal line where the mounting shelf will be. Using the line that you just made as your starting point and either mark indicating the inside edge of your studs as a guide, measure up 28 inches and draw a vertical line. Repeat on the other side. Cut along the lines to remove the section of drywall with an oscillating multi-tool or drywall saw, working in sections to make quick work of this. Be sure to test fit the slide-away safe in the opening and trim the edges as needed until it fits. Lay the wall safe on its back, slide the door until the slide release levers are visible. Depress the release lever and push the midsection of the slide back to release it. Repeat on the other side and remove the door. Put 4 AAA batteries in the lock. Once it is powered on, insert the strike and use the included user card to test its function. The strike should pop out of the lock when the user card is placed near the back of the lock. If the card does not release the lock, use the included instructions and card marked Master to program the user card and any other 13.56 MHz card that you would like to use. Mount the lock to the back of the sliding door using the longer included screws at the pre-drilled holes. Slide the end of the auxiliary power extension with the mounting bracket into the pre-drilled hole in the side of the wall safe. Secure using the smallest included screws, and plug the other end into the power port on the side of the lock. Install the mounting shelf at the bottom of the opening you cut in your wall. Secure it with one screw first, then level and secure the remaining screws. Place the wall safe on top of the mounting shelf and secure it using the included long wood screws. As you tighten the screws, you may notice the wall safe shift a little. A little pressure in the corners can help make sure the safe stays flush to the wall. Fully extend the slide sections mounted to the back of the door. Carefully align them with the slide sections on the wall safe, making sure they fully engage. Slide the midsection of the slide past the release levers. They should click into place. Push the door firmly closed the first time. After this, the soft close mechanism will engage to pull the door closed. Measure the height and width of the canvas you plan to use on the wall safe. It should measure 30 inches high and 20 inches wide. The face of the door is pre-drilled with a series of holes for the canvas mounting clips. They are spaced vertically at 20 inches. Measure from the top of the canvas down 5 inches and mark the canvas frame. Repeat on the 3 corners. When handling your canvas, take precaution to prevent damage. We suggest laying it on a towel, blanket, or other soft surface. Using double stick tape on the back of the post side of the panel clips, align the center with the mark you made in the last step and the edge of the clip to the edge of the frame. Using a 1/16 drill bit, pre-drill the frame through the screw holes of each clip. This will help prevent the canvas frame from splitting when the screws are installed. Now install the screws to secure the clips. Measure the distance between the midpoint of the post clips. Find the first set of pre-drilled holes that have a measurement smaller than this. For example, if the midpoint of your post clips are at 16.5 inches and the holes measure at 16.5 inches, use the holes spaced at 16 inches. Start the screws into the pre-drilled holes determined previously. Slide the clips onto the screws from the outer edge of the door and tighten the screws. Align the clips on the canvas with the clips on the door and snap the canvas into place. Be sure to only apply pressure to the canvas where the frame and clips meet to avoid damaging your canvas. The canvas can slide side to side slightly to adjust the side gaps. Now that the slide-away safe is installed, use the included shelf pins and shelves to finish construction of the slide-away safe and enjoy your Murphy door product.